If your house was built during the 60s, 70s, or even 80s, and you may have ceilings that look like this. These are called acoustic or sometimes popcorn ceilings, and well, they've kind of gone out of favor today. Now we're going to hide this popcorn ceiling by covering it with these PVC tiles. Before the tiles can be put up, a couple of things have to come down. For this project, we'll begin putting up the tiles at the center of the ceiling, then work outward. Apply adhesive to the back of the tile, placing quarter-sized dollops every 6 to 8 inches. Also apply the adhesive around the perimeter of the tile. Once the tile is in position, press it firmly into contact with the ceiling. These PVC tiles are designed to overlap each other. This makes the seams less visible. Once all the full tiles are up, measure the distance between the last full tile and the wall. Transfer those measurements to the back of a tile, draw a line connecting the two marks, and cut the tile using scissors. When applying adhesive to a border tile like this, make sure to run a bead along the cut edge. Well, that's it. All the tiles are up, and our room has taken on a whole new look.